Hello guys, and welcome back to Unlock Force for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cannot verify payment information. Contact Apple support for more information. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your iPhone, you will have to watch this video till the end. So guys, here I will give you some solution to fix your problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to make it sure that you have correctly entered your debit or credit card number and the expiry date and the security code. So guys, tap on settings, tap on your profile, tap on payment and shipping, wait for some seconds. So guys, check your credit card number, expiry date and security card. So guys, if there is any mistake in these, you will have to make it correct. After this guys, the next solution to this problem is that you will have to make it sure that your country region is correctly entered. So guys, open your profile, tap on media and purchases, tap on view account, wait for some second, tap on country region. So guys, from here you will have to select your correct country region. So guys, select your correct country region from here. So guys, tap on change country or region. So guys, from here you will have to select your correct country region. So guys, after this, go back and go for next solution. So guys, go back to your settings and then tap on add money to account. So guys, if there is no money in your account, you will have to add money to your account. So guys, tap here from any desired amount and then add money into your account. So after this guys, the next solution is that you will have to go back and then you will have to tap on purchase history and check if there is any payable amount. So guys, if there is any payable bill or amount, you will have to pay this. After this guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.